Look.
Turn it all the way.
Okay.
Look. I have my little helper in the garden now, you guys.
I don't want.
Hi you guys, and welcome back to Growing with Lala's Crops. I'm super excited for today's video because I partnered with Gardening Minutes. They sent me over their 17-inch metal raised bed along with the 4x6 watering grid. In today's video, I'm going to give you some of the benefits of using this system in your garden, who the system is geared towards, whether it's a beginner gardener, more experienced gardener. I have been eyeing this system out for years, and I was blessed to receive this bundle from Gardening Minutes, so I'm super excited to get to share this experience with you guys along my journey as I prep my raised bed for spring season. What I like about this bundle is everything is included. The water grid and the metal raised bed. You also have a connection to any type of water source. Right now I have mine hooked up to our water hose, and you can. It also comes with one manifold that you can include if you want to expand onto your garden, which I like. So if you're interested in ordering your all-in-one bundle, you guys, check my description box below. I will have a link and it will direct you to the website. And also don't forget to use my code LaToya. Make sure you put that code in to receive a discount on your all-in-one bundle. All right, so we're gonna do the unboxing. This is the metal raised bed. Like I mentioned earlier, it's a 17-inch tall metal raised bed, food safe materials. You can do 17 different configurations, which I like. So meaning you can do 17 different size raised beds. It's made for all climates. The instructions right here. Hope you can see it. 17-in-1 metal raised bed. Here are all of the configurations, options. So these are the panels right here. And these are the side pieces. And then these are the rods right here. And then this is the rubber piece that goes on top of the raised bed around the perimeter. So we are going to do the 4x6 configuration. All right, you guys, so we have the raised bed assembled. We just connected all of the panels. So we are unboxing the water grids. In the box, it comes with this this paper bag. Excuse my voice, you guys. I'm under the weather a little bit, but my husband hands me this bag, and it says "single man," and I'm like, "Oh, single man." This means single manifold, you guys. All right, so the manifold is in this brown bag, you guys. So this is what we're going to use to connect the water hose. These are constructed into 12-inch squares. It has a filter inside to filter out any debris coming in from the line. Oh, and you guys, they also gave us some seeds. And then this is the instructions for the 4x6. The warmer it is, the easier assembly is. So that's why I have them out in the sunlight to kind of help with pushing the tubes in together. Huh? All right, you guys. So we have A and B together. I think if you have a larger size, you would have 2 Bs. But for my size raised bed, which is a 4x6, I only have 3 sections of the grid. So now we're going to add on section C. So this is the final product. This is something new in my garden, you guys. This is my first time trying out the metal raised bed and, of course, the watering grid. If you have been around on my channel for a bit, you guys know that I really enjoy adding the square foot garden layout in my gardens. I think that it more organized layout. It helps me plan out how many vegetables I can grow in the garden. Each of the squares are 12 inches. With this solution, these are durable tubes that will last me, so I don't have to go in and measure anything. I can just add these on top of my raised bed and it will water the base of my plants, you guys. So I'm super excited about sharing this journey with you guys to let you know how this system works. So I'm preparing my raised bed for the spring season. All right, so you guys, so first I'm going to apply the worm casting. We added the lasagna method cardboard, then sticks, and then cow manure, soil, and now I'm going to add the worm castings. So I'm going to sprinkle some in here. I'm probably going to use like this whole bag because, yeah, I probably got to get some more, but I do have another bag, but it's a different brand. So I may go in with that one to finish up topping off this raised bed, you guys. So just sprinkle that in there like so. Now that I have topped it off with worm castings, the final touch is to add the water grid, you guys. So to add this into the raised bed, this is the last, well, it's not really the last step, but as far as preparing the raised bed, this is the last step. I have to go in and add the plants, but yeah. So this is what the water grid looks like inside of the raised bed. It fits perfectly in here. As I mentioned, it's a 4x6. The raised bed is also 4x6. It's just 17 inches deep. I have attached the water grid to my water hose. I'll get some of my Trifecta Plus. This is what it looks like. And put it at the base, inside the hole. And then just toss the fertilizer around in here. I always like to take off the bottom leaves of a tomato plant so that it can grow a deeper root system. Just add it in like that and cover it back up. Okay, so now I'm going to plant my pepper plant. I can go in and add my fertilizer cup on me, so I'm just going to put some in here, you guys. All right, let's go over here to the connection and turn it on. Okay, there we go. All right, you guys, there. Oh my goodness! Look at that water flow. All right, I think I got it I have it too high. So if you see that the water is going too downward towards the soil, you can always twist it up, you guys. As you see that these are rising too high right here, so you twist it downwards like so. Wow, look at the stream of this water grid, you guys. I'm so excited. So yeah, I'm just gonna go in and just twist down the ones that are rising a little too high. Well, I like that it's adjustable. The tubes are adjustable because, and each plant grows at a different rate. So you may put in a little baby seedling in here, which may need water very close to the soil level. Now, more established plants like this tomato, it's okay to have the watering at this level to water the base of the plant. I can automatically put this water grid on a timer and it will water my plants, you guys. So I'm gonna go in and go ahead and add some more plants in here. So you just adjust the stream, use valve right here, twist it. That's off. And this is on and on the highest stream. Wow. Very nice. Very nice. Each square delivers 16 gentle streams around the base of the plant, of each plant, minimizing wet foliage and reducing the risk of diseases. I hope you guys enjoyed today's video showing you this all-in-one bundle from Gardening Minutes, which includes their 17-inch metal raised bed along with their 4x6 watering grid. The water grid is doing its thing, you guys, watering the plants. I do plan on adding more, of course, but stay tuned for more videos as I share my journey with using this bundle, growing my vegetables for spring of 2025. If you enjoyed today's video, don't forget to like this video and click the bell notification so that you can get notified once I post a new video. And I will see you in my next video. As always, happy gardening. Peace.